Hello, Electrician Pros Detroit. My name is Travis Shields, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to help bring in more customers for your business. You're probably asking yourself why I would do this. Well, what I've found is that most local business owners are too busy actually running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I've found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their businesses for free has provided immense value for local businesses. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that's okay too. So let me show you the most important things that will set your company above your competition. Before I get into it, I see that your website is either built with Wix or Weebly, but I 100% recommend building your website using Snaps or WordPress. Snaps is a much friendlier and easy to use website builder, and WordPress is a little more advanced. I only use these solely for SEO purposes. These two are best when it comes to search engine optimization. The first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So content is everything that you see on your website, from words to pictures to contact forms. So you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. In Google's eyes, they like to see at least 1,500 words. So that's one really good thing that you guys are doing here. I can see that you guys have a lot of content. You probably have at least 1,000 words on here, so that's really good. But Google's getting really big about having content because content tells Google exactly what you do and where you do it. Not only having a lot of content helps, it allows you to fit in buyer intent keywords, such as electrical contractor Detroit, Michigan. You're also able to set your meta tag and descriptions with keyword-rich content, which further helps Google find you for those keywords. You can also save images as keywords. That'll help Google find you for those too. So if I go in here, save image as, I can see that this picture is saved as electric 32. If you save that picture as electrical contractor Detroit, Michigan, that's going to help Google find you for that too. Having these keywords on your website helps Google find your website when a potential customer is searching for your service. The second important thing I want to talk about is Google Map Pack, or NAPS. On these results, we can see the business name, address, and phone number. So how do you rank in the maps? What you have to do is you must list your business in directories. So these citations are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, BBB, and so on. Having more citations will help rank you above your competition in this map pack. I use a paid tool called WhiteSpark to search a business, and it lays out all the citations they have so you can get the same citations and then more. The map pack is location based, so you're not going to show up when someone from Midland searches for your service unless you have an address for that location. Nonetheless, it is important to be shown in the map pack where Google Business Profile is located because it's more real estate on Google's first page. The third thing I want to show you is backlinks, but I want to show you the basic anatomy of Google's page here first. So first you'll see the Google Guaranteed. You can get your business in here too, it's a very good spot to be in. The next section is CPC, or cost per click. These are ads. The third thing is the Google Map Pack, and then once you get past that, these are the organic ranking results. So backlinks are important because it gives your site authority. I like to call it link juice. So if I search Electrician Detroit, we see here that Yelp is showing up first in the organics, and then Angie's List, and then we have the first actual company in Detroit ranking right here in third. Now, this is where you want to be, and get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like a link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there is more to it than that. The backlinks you obtain work a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have another electrical site or home improvement site, is much more effective than if you had, let's say, Pizza Hut linking back to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living, you know? This is a tool I use to check out backlinks. So if we go in here, this is your site. I put it in Ahrefs. What Ahrefs does is it compiles all the data within Google and each website's data. So it allows you to see any backlinks and keywords each website has. So we can see you have a 25 UR and 15 DR, which is actually pretty good. You have 139 referring domains, so you have 139 websites linking back to your site. And out of those 139 sites, they're giving you 772 links. So you can see here you have 4 organic keywords. And then we can come down a little bit. So you had about 45 referring domains at the end of last year, and then you can tell you obviously ramped up your backlinking here. Whether you did it or you paid someone, you went from 40 to about 140, so you had someone add over 100 links for you. But at the same time, you can tell that it didn't help you, because you went from 40 to 140, but your domain rating at that same time, when they started adding them, it actually went from 26 down to 15. So either they're not getting you good backlinks, or they're adding too much at one time. So Google's seeing that like spam. So it's probably a combination of those two things. We can go in here and check them out. So these are all the websites that are linking back to yours. So the DR is like the domain rating, so the higher it is, the better. So these ones right here are all super good. You got one from CBN, and that is an incredible backlink to have. So that's probably giving your website the majority of the power that you have. But you can see on a lot of these ones with like the 0, they're probably not doing much for your website, and if anything, they could be hurting it. We can go back to the overview here and take a look at your organic keywords. But you only have 4. You should be having a lot more organic keywords. So Detroit Electricians would be a great keyword to have, and you used to be in 41st for it, but you currently fell out of the rankings. You can see here that there's 450 search volume per month. And you know it's a good keyword because people who are typing this in are likely from Detroit and they're looking for an electrician. So that is a great buyer intent keyword to have. So let's go back to the organic rankings here. Detroit Voltage was on top. I have them pulled up also. So right here, same keyword. They're ranked in the 4th position, and they're getting 52 traffic out of that monthly 450 that people are searching for it. So Detroit Voltage is getting an immense value of traffic from these 5 keywords alone. They're bringing about 250 people onto their website, and depending on how good they're closing, they're getting a lot of jobs from these keywords right here. So these are a lot of keywords that you want to go after and have on your website to beat out your competition. So once again, we went over content. The more content you have on your page allows for more keywords for Google to put you in the search results. The second thing is citations. I like to put about 200 to 300 on the websites that I work for, because I like to beat out my competition by a landslide. That'll help you get ranked in the map pack. And third is backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. If you implement these strategies, you can be #1 across Google. So what do you do now? Well, you can either go with this info I provided today and do it on your own, and that's totally cool. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 989-709-6146. Once again, my name is Travis, and my number is 989-709-6146. You can call or text, or you can email me back, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day.